Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your ChatGPT account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to chat.openai.com and click on Enter. Now this is the home page. I have already logged in, and right now I want to log out. So here is what I can do about it. Simply click on this icon right here, and you will find this logout button. Next to it, there will be settings and customize ChatGPT. You can do anything you wish. For now, I simply want to log out, so let's click on this button. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out from your ChatGPT account. This is how you log out of your ChatGPT account on your web browser. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.